As we see that in the last topic, that is decoupled load flow method, this is the extension of this method, that is fast decoupled load flow method. So as in the decoupled load flow method, we see that some of the function related to the sum of the variable are to be decoupled in the nature. What it means? It means simply the function that is p is to be very much of related to delta del, as well as q is very much depend on delta v. So we can say that sum of the function is to be related to some of the variable is to be decoupled as of nature. So as we say here, this method utilizes the property of the power system in which a small change in the magnitude of the bus voltage does not affect the real power flow at the bus, and similarly a small change in phase angle of the bus voltage has hardly any effect on the reactive power. So as we know that this is the fact, or you can say this is the result of real time system analysis. What it say that the magnitude of the bus voltage does not affected, or you can say that not very much affected, the real power of flow at the bus. Similarly, the small change in the phase angle of the bus voltage has hardly any change on the reactive power. So as by utilizing these two concepts, we can prove the decoupled load flow method in the earlier. But today we are going to discuss a new method of solving the load flow analysis problem, that is fast decoupled load flow method. In this fast decoupled load flow method, our basic objective is as to be commutate, or you can say the computational time required for the analysis of Jacobian matrix is to be reduced, or you can say the number of iterations is to be required to find out the variables is also to be reduced, or the system to be accurate. So all these objective is to be analyzed, and it will be you can say calibrate with the certain assumptions. So before we study the fast decoupled load flow method, we have certain assumptions are there. So what are the assumptions? Before this, we have just to study this topic. What is this? The decoupled result of above mentioned makes the system very easy, fast and reliable algorithm. The sparsity feature of the Jacobian matrix minimizes the computer memory requirement and results in faster computation. The accuracy is to be comparable with the NR method stated. Okay, thank you class.